Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today and welcome to a cleaning video. I will be cleaning my bathroom today. I'll get some laundry going, and I also have to show you this space that I set up in the loft area, so on the other side of the wall. So let's get into it. I'm trying to clean the house, but I don't know. I tried yesterday, did not end up doing that. But anyway, I came in here because I'm trying to get some laundry done. I'm trying to clean the house, but it's not going according to plan, so I'm just going to go with the flow of things. I don't feel like cleaning, but I definitely need to clean this bathroom. I cleaned my kids' bathroom yesterday, and I've wiped down the surface up here, so I'm going to put the rug in the washer, and then I'm going to mop the floors, and I'll put fresh towels, fresh washcloths for my case here. And then I also need to get some of the air fresheners from my basket in the half bathroom downstairs, so I'll go get that and bring it back in. So let's put this rug in the washer with the rest of the stuff that needs to get washed. All right. I realized that I'm actually running low on the single refills for the air fresheners. So when I go to Sam's Club, I'll probably pick up a pack, and then I'll have extras. I don't like to run out. So right now, I think I put one in the kids' bathroom, and then I'll put one in my bathroom. I don't have to put one in Lila's bedroom. I like for her to have something that smells good in there, but if I don't have it, I just don't. So I will probably change hers when I get some more refills. I don't have one in Aiden's room, so it should be okay. But for now, I'll just do the bathrooms so that we keep those smelling like it's clean. All right. And I don't know if you haven't watched, I posted a reel about that space, and guys, you have to just go and watch it. I have to clean this space over here. It's always work in progress. It's never a done deal, but that space just looks amazing. And I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with those open areas in that shelf. It looks very bare right now, but I feel like if I put like plants, like full plants, it might look better. I don't want it to have toys in it. I'm definitely sure about that, but I don't want it to look so bare. So I'll probably do something, but that space just looks amazing. So let me walk you through it and show you where I got everything. All right, so the light is from Amazon. I've had this art piece forever. I think I got it from Ross many years ago. And then the lamp is from Target. The canvas candle, it's a candle piece, and it smells absolutely amazing. I got it. It's the one called Canvas. I liked it. I don't plan on bonding it, but it makes for a really nice piece up here. So those two pieces are from Target. The cabinets are from Amazon. They were $75 each, but there's a delivery fee and it takes about 2 weeks for it to get to you. So just be mindful of that if you wanted that. And then this is the marble tray that I had gotten from Target. And if you remember the reel that I did downstairs for the credenza down there, I was trying either this or the gray boxes. So I used the gray boxes there and I brought this up here. And then this is a piece that I got from Marshalls a couple of months ago. It was $10. And then these 4 plants were from Walmart. And this vase was from Walmart too. And I think this vase was less than $10, maybe 10. And these 4 leaves were about $3 each. I just liked how green they are, and I'm always in love with greenery around my spaces. So that, it just came together so nicely, so nicely. So wanted to show you that. So now I'll take my mop and go and clean my bathroom.
If you think of all that we leave out, is that weird you're feeling blue? I know nothing ever turned out as you wanted to, but every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again. Baby, you got me begging, please. You got me on repeat. You got me on repeat. Your cruel love has got me on my knees, and always on repeat. You got me on repeat. You got me on repeat. Baby, don't you think for a second I would give up without a fight, even if you keep me guessing till the morning light. Yeah, I know I will learn it the hard way, 'cause I just can't leave it be. And I don't really care what they say, it's all about you and me. But every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again. Baby, you got me begging, please. You got me on repeat. You got me on repeat. Your cruel love has got me on my knees, and always on repeat. You got me on repeat. You got me on repeat. I really hope we make it, but all the blame's on me. Oh, I wish I didn't love you. But every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again. Baby, you got me begging, please. You got me on repeat. You got me on repeat. Oh, your cruel love has got me on my knees, and always on repeat. You got me on repeat. You got me on repeat. Stretching upwards, aiming high, touching palms that touch the sky. Give it your all, drop your control. Give it your all, drop your control. Bow down and feel this ground. Everyone's pulse is pound, right along with the sound of the drums. Sensing each other's air, everyone's still in motion, dancing without a care to the drums. Stretching upwards, aiming high, touching palms that touch the sky. Give it your all, drop your control. Give it your all, drop your control. Set off the spark you forgot about. For what it's worth, go on, scream and shout. Give it your all, drop your control. Don't you for a second think of anything at all. Keep your eyes on these lights, they'll take good care of your soul.